Hey, I'm back. Look at that shite in there. Can you see it? Chicken in my fucking marinade. Philly steak. Lovely jubbly. Okay. Let's cook it. To get all that shite off. Right, back in a sec. I'm just going to rinse my hands because they're fucked. Put the steak on in a bit because I like it like that. Proper job. Proper fucking job. There's no messing going on here. Steaky reiki on. And enjoy. Nearly dropped it. You come out with me, boys. You know you'll be getting fed well. I can cook.
I can't make my website. Weird. Before I found Wix.com, I had the same dream. Don't tell me it was really difficult.
Yeah.
Cost a fortune.
Yeah.
Went on forever.
Yeah.
Then you became a big hairy ogre in spiked pig stilettos.
No.
Oh, just leave it. Anyway, you need Wix.com. I made myself a stunning website and it was quick, easy and free.
Free?
Yeah, totally free. Choose from hundreds of amazing designs. Then just drop in your photos and info. Connect with
Let's just show you what I'm having.
That's Wix.com.
A musical legend is back in the UK.
Is that the fucking business or what? Huh? That is the fucking real deal, that. Fucking quality. Fucking lovely, look at that. I'm getting fucking hungry now. like it a bit better than that.
Tony Hadley's 80th party. Every Saturday night, 7 till 9.
Aye, lads. I can cook. Don't ask me what's on that chicken because I think there's everything on that chicken. It's spicy, I know that. It's got cumin, curry powder, chili powder, paprika, Italian herbs, garlic, dried onions, salt and pepper. What else? The fuck it. Garlic. I think that's about it. Oh, and ginger. Bit of ginger powder in as well, be nice. Proper stuff. So there. And I'm fucking sweating near this fire. Fucking sweating. So there you go, there's our mate. Sulking because he's fucking... What you doing, mate? Eh? What you doing, boyo? Huh? Good lad. Sit. Hey, sit. Good boy. Good lad. Good lad. No. Get on. Get on. Get on. Oi. Get out. 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 Lie down. Oi, lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Hey. Nearly. I don't want to be nasty to the lad. He's a good dog, him. Absolutely cracking dog. One at best I've had. He is. So, I'm enjoying myself. On my own company. My doggies. Got a little pup. Where is she? Millie, Millie, Millie. Millie. Millie dog. Millie dog. There she is. She's only just turned 8 weeks old today. Cross between a Jack Russell and a Yorkshire Terrier. That's the father. The mother is a Jack Russell cross something. Ah, she's alright. She's gonna be a good one. She's tough as boots. Alright. I did have another terrier if you go back through my videos, but there's a sad story to that one. There is. She's not with us no more. It's a shame, she was a good one. But you can't win them all. But there you go. That steak wants turning. Because she'll be cooked on that. Oh, fucking hell, look at them. And my fucking Ray mares are fucking what? Fucking, I'm better than that fucking Ray mares anyway. Fuck him. He eats fucking grass. I'm living like the king and fucking Henry VIII, mate. So I've got a fucking big fucking belly. Fuck it. You're here to enjoy yourself and out no less. Right. I'm off. I'm hungry. See ya.